In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a Mailchimp signup form in Blogger. By the end, you will have an embedded Mailchimp signup form on your Blogger site, so visitors can subscribe directly from your blog. To begin, you need to create the form inside Mailchimp. In your browser, open Mailchimp, then go to the Forms section. Look for the option labeled Forms, and then choose Other Forms. This is where Mailchimp groups form types that are meant to be embedded or used outside of their main landing page tools. Next, you will create a new form. Select Create New Form, and then choose Create Embedded Form. At this stage, Mailchimp is preparing a version of the sign-up form that you can paste into your website. Take a moment to confirm you are using the embedded form option, because that is the one designed to be inserted into platforms like Blogger. Now you will pick which audience the subscribers should be added to. In Mailchimp, find the option to select your audience. Then choose the audience you want to collect emails into. If you manage more than one audience, double-check that you are selecting the correct one, since this determines where new signups will be stored. After selecting the audience, click Continue to Builder. The Builder is where you can configure the fields and appearance of your form. You might see settings for the form fields, the button text, and basic layout options. Even if you do not plan to change much, it is helpful to quickly verify that the form is set up the way you expect. Once you are satisfied with the form settings, move to the next stage. Choose Customize, then Continue. In many cases, Mailchimp will step you through a customization and finalization flow. You will not need to do anything complicated here, but you do want to make sure you progress until you reach the embed code. After continuing, you will be ready to copy the code. Find the step that says Copy Code, and then copy it to your clipboard. This code is what will connect your Blogger page to your Mailchimp form, so do not skip this part. If you are copying manually, paste it carefully so you do not miss any characters. Now that you have the embed code, you can add it to Blogger. Go to your Blogger dashboard, and then open your layout settings. In Blogger, layout is where you can control the structure of your pages, including which sidebar or page areas display widgets. With layout open, add a gadget. Look for the option to add a gadget, and then choose HTML/JavaScript. This matters because the Mailchimp embed code needs to be placed into a section that accepts custom scripts, and HTML/JavaScript is the correct gadget type for that. After selecting HTML/JavaScript, you will see a content box where you can paste the embed code. Paste the Mailchimp code into the content field. Make sure the entire code block is pasted, and do not delete any parts. It is also a good idea to avoid changing the formatting, since the embed code usually depends on exact text structure. Finally, save your changes. Click Save in the gadget window to store the update. Once you save, Blogger may refresh the layout, and you should be able to view the form on your site. That covers everything you need to know. If you do not see the form immediately, refresh your page after saving, and check the section where you added the gadget, since the form will appear wherever that HTML/JavaScript gadget is placed. And that is all there is to it.